Cardboard, you got this immunity token. It basically makes it so you cannot die, or at least get eliminated during elimination time. What even is elimination time? Basically, the viewers watching this video could go down in the description. Then what they could do, they can vote on who could leave. Let's do it now, because we already started it. But before I start, we have to revive everybody that died. Welcome to the first elimination time event. One of you guys will have to go to the cozy place. So, yeah. Let's start. Here are the people who got 0 votes. Oh, and by the way, we got 12 votes today. Here are the people that got 0 votes, by the way. So, rubber band, bucket, yarn, charger, and cardboard all got 0 votes. What? 2 people left. One of you guys got 1 vote. The other person got 11, and we'll have to go to the cozy place. Is it me? No. And I'm just kidding. You got 11 votes. Oh my god, what? But you're literally the one who told me that I can get intelligence from this. And I'm the first person out? Yeah. Boom, 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 big bong. What? Why am I right here? Hi, Expo Marker. Now, you must watch as the other people try to win the game. The next challenge is to survive a blizzard. If you all die, then you're up for elimination. Start. Bucket, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to fly away. I can't hold on to the stick forever. Get off me. Time for knock. We're rolling. Help us. Smack attack. Water bottle, keep holding on that stick. Why is everyone on top of me? Wait, shouldn't sticks fly away too? So should you. Whoa, my voice feels different. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we'll be jumping in a blizzard. Attention people, you should probably go inside before the blizzard starts moving up. If that happens, everyone will be forced down to the ground, acting like they have very high gravity. I need to get to Dorito and push her. Somehow. There's a bag of lava over there. I can get to that. And maybe I can just dunk her in. Smack attack version 2. Look out, Dorito. I'm gonna get you. Smack attack version 3. Well, this type of lava somehow turns to ice during a blizzard. Thankfully, Doritos still crack. Rock and roll team is going to up the bye-bye. Viewers, go to the description right now to the vote someone off from the rock and roll group if you hate them. Bye.